Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech How with Shashank. So, in this channel, I have made this channel exclusively for the people, for supporting them to use applications, how to use them, and how to use their phone, browse the mobile completely, and the PC. So, I am making this first video of Discord, and let us start with the video now. So, how to use Discord? What is it? Discord is an app. It's used for texting, that is chatting, for making calls. You can share your screen with people or a group of people. You can meet new people in the community servers. You can create servers. Those are like groups only, but it has advanced features than groups. You can also use bots for listening to music, that is robots for listening to music, and for memes, for having a lot of fun in a Discord. Please download it, it's a very nice app. Okay, now let's go through Discord once. This is the Discord main page. I mean to say, this is the Discord main server page. Okay, so now I'm in the Discord server. This is a friend server, this is a school server, and these are all direct messages. This is to add a friend. Click on add friend and type the username and tag and send them a friend request, and then they need to accept it, and then you can chat with them, you can add them to your servers and you do a lot of fun. Okay, these are block friends. The pending friend requests will appear over here. These are all my friends, and this is the friends that are currently online. These are all direct messages. And now this is if you want to create a server of your own, then you need to click on create my own. Is it for your friends and friends and family, or for a community? If it is for your friends, then it'll be between your friends, like it's like a private group or a private server. If it is for a club or a community, then any person who is exploring the servers that are for a community or a club can join it. Okay, so now I'm going to make this a private one. Okay, so I'll name it as Discord. Okay, I'll name it as Discord server. If you want, you can upload a profile pic, and I'll click on create. And now I'll show you this is the basic one which you use, that is this is used to type messages. Okay, and this is known as Nitro. Discord Nitro is a premium feature uh that is in-app purchase, that is you need to purchase it with money. uh, Discord Nitro is a premium version of Discord, and Nitro gifting is a part of Discord Nitro that is used for gifting Nitro to others. That is, you buy Discord Nitro and you gift it to other people so that they can use it. Okay, and this is GIFs, this is emojis, this is the members list. Okay, the members who all are there. Okay, this is the pin messages. Okay, now I'll pin one message and I'll show you. Okay, I'll pin this message and you can view it in the pinned messages. This is muting or unmuting a channel, that is you won't receive any messages from this channel if you mute it, or unmute it if you want to listen, if you want to receive messages from this channel. And this is search. You can search for messages, links, files, and you can search for the messages before this date, after this date, or during a particular period of time. And mentions, that is mentions is suppose it has mentioned a name known as for example Sam, then mentions @Sam user. So from that user, are there any mentions? You can search like that. Okay, this is inbox is that your unread messages and mentions, that is if they have mentioned your username anywhere, then it will appear in these mentions. Okay, so now let's go through these text channels. This is the text channels. Okay, now I'm going to add a channel over here. That is, I'll press the plus button. If it's a text channel, it will be like this, and I'll click on new channel. You can in the channel type you can create a text or a voice channel, anything of your choice. Now I'm creating a text channel. Okay, so I'll rename it as Discord create channel. Okay, so I have created a new channel over here. You can create many more channels over here, and now I'm going to show you some features of this. I'll show the features over here, the server features in the next video. For now, I'll show you the voice channels. The voice channel is nothing but when you want to hang out with some other people, that is with your friends, then you use this voice channel. For example, you have entered the voice channel now. Wait, I'll show it to you in some other channel. Over here I have not added the bot yet. I'll go to games. Okay, I have joined the voice channel over here. If I join the voice channel here and I type over here, over here we have a robot known as Rhythm. Rhythm is a bot that is used to play music on Discord. I have joined the music. Now I'll go here, the prefix for using this bot. I will tell you about the prefix and all those in my next video. The prefix for using this bot is hashtag. Okay, so I'll put hashtag P. P is nothing but play. It's a short form of play and the song name. For example, now I want circle song and I'll enter. Now see, it has searched in YouTube and now it's playing. You can listen to it once. Okay, wait. So you see, this is for when you are hanging out with your friends in this voice channels, then to turn on your video, to share your screen, to unmute yourself. This deafen, that is your complete audio, that is whether you are going to use your microphone or and the headphones or not, that is the speakers. This is the user settings. That means it will go to the user, that is your account settings. This is disconnect if you want to disconnect it, and this is noise suppression. I'm going to disconnect it now. So now I'll show you how to add bots to your chat to your server. Okay, so to add bots to your server, first you need to go to the Google Chrome or the search engine you have. Okay, open this and then you will be needing to type Discord bots. I have already searched for this, so it is there in my search history. So in this I'll click on the Discord bot list, and then this is the bot list. You can search them according to the tags, and I'm going to add 2 bots over here and show you 2 or 3 bots maybe. Me6 is the most easy to use common bot in all maybe in all the servers. It is used for levels and like music and all those. You can see it yourself. You can give roles to others. It also sends welcome messages and the level you are in and the rank. And you can see there are many features in this. Okay, so now I'm going to add this to Discord. Now I'm going to log out because I'm already in, so it will show like this that I'm in. I'll add it to Discord. So this is the option you'll have when you need to log in through when you need to log into it if you have not logged in yet. So either you can enter your email or phone number and the password, or you can log in with the QR code. That is, just open the Discord mobile app and log in to the mobile app, and then you can use it to log into your computer just by scanning the QR code. And if you don't have an account, click on register, and you can create an account by simple steps just by adding your email, username, password. Username is the name that you are going to use in it. Date of birth, that is we need to be about 13 years to create a legal account in Discord. Okay, I already have an account, so I'm going to just log in by scanning the QR code. Okay, so it will again send a confirmation on your mobile that are you trying to log into a computer. Then I will click on yes, log me in. I'll give it the permission. Then I will get the permission to log in. Okay, now I need to give it the access for all these, so I'll authorize it. I'll give it the access. Now it has logged me in, so I will set it up. That is, I'll add the Me6 to Discord server. Set up Me6 and its Discord server. I'll click on continue. It wants all these permissions for it, so I'll grant it. I have already read it. For your confirmation, you can read it once more while you are adding it. So now it will confirm whether I am a human or not. And then it is now added to my server. Let's now check whether it's added or not. You see that you can just see that Me6 has just landed. Okay, you can also see over here in the members list Me6 has joined us. So now we'll add another bot. Okay, now we'll add a Dank Memer. Dank Memer is a very nice bot. It is a bot with which you can get memes. You have a lot of fun with it. You can use it for earning Discord money or Dank money. It's not real money. Okay, you can use it for social things, for gaming, and for levels also. Okay, you can see its rating. It's a very nice rating. It's a very cool bot. Please install this bot when you are downloading the app. This is like a must-have bot. It is a very nice one. Okay, so we are going to click on invite over here. Okay, so I have previously logged in, so it has already showed signed in dash Shashank. Now I'm going to select a server, that is Discord server. Continue. It wants all these permissions. I have granted it, and I will authorize, and it will confirm that I'm a human. And you can see this message, thanks for adding Dank Memer. So now let's go back to the server and check. Dank Memer is here. Glad you're here, Dank Memer. So we can check Dank Memer is here also. So I'm going to tell the functions of these bots in the next video. So now I'm going to tell you about or add the final bot and show you the use of it. Okay, This is the rhythm bot which I told you previously, or this is the rhythm bot. It's a good one. I'll select the server, Discord server, and continue. It just needs one permission and I'll grant it. Rhythm is a bot that is used for music, for playing music on your uh, server. It's very nice. See, uh, it's good to see you, Rhythm, and its prefix is this. You can see Rhythm has landed here also. Okay.